What's up, traders? So I'm going to show you how to become a profitable trader in this year 2023 going into the new year of 2024. I know that I have my own Discord group that I actually been running for some time now. It's a free Discord group, so feel free to click in the link in my description and go ahead and join there if you are needing help in your trading journey. Okay, so what I believe is important as a trader when it comes to trading and becoming a profitable trader going into the year 2024 is I believe we have to understand technical analysis, right? You have to understand that the way you perceive the markets are so important, right? Everybody would say that psychology is probably the most important thing. To me, I would disagree. I would believe 100% that you need to know how the market moves, all right? Secondly, it is true that your psychology is important, right? So you do need to know, how to trade mentally, right? So if you are in a predicament where you are struggling as a trader, maybe because you're going through some trauma, maybe because you just went through a bad relationship, family issues, job issues, you do not need to be trading, okay? What you need to be doing is getting all those things in order, and then once you get into a better position, then you can trade. Because what's really important is when you are trading in the market, you need to be free from all the troubles around you, right? Now, I understand that some people have went from $0 to $100, $100 to 1,000, 1,000 to 10,000, 10,000 to $1 million. I understand, but you are them. You need to understand that when it comes to trading, you need to make every effort to become the best trader and the best version of you, okay? I know a lot of people who want to trade like these big time gurus, and there's nothing wrong with that. But at the end of the day, you are responsible for you clicking the button, you are responsible for losing, and you are responsible on how you review the markets, okay? Perspective is everything, all right? The next thing I want to say is you need to understand if your strategy works or not, okay? So there's many traders in the industry who are strategy hopping, right? And the reason why they're strategy hopping is because something is obviously not working for them, okay? Or maybe they've been persuaded by some other trader that this trade is the best strategy, okay? There is no such thing as the best strategy in Forex trading, okay? What I would say, there are better strategies than others, but I would recommend if you are looking for a strategy, right, going into the new year of 2024, you really want to become profitable, you need to test those strategies out on demo for at least a month or two. And the reason why I say a month or two is because in reality, guys, if you want to be a successful full-time trader, just trading a strategy within 2 weeks is not going to show you the long-term outcome, all right? You need to look at trading as a long-term, not just a short-term, okay? Now, if you're just looking to get $50 here, $50 there, then this video is not going to be helpful for you because you're just doing this as a hobby. Some of us want to be a full-time trader. Some of us want to do this for the rest of our lives. Some of us are just doing this just to get by. But in reality, if you really want to become a successful trader from this year going into the new year, you need to understand these concepts, all right? The next thing I really want to share with some of you guys who might be wrestling with your trading strategy, not only do you need a trading plan, but you need a trading journal, okay? So going into the new year, I have been learning that journaling my trades has kept me accountable, okay? And the reason why I will say that is because there is times where I'll get into a trade and I'll think it will be going great and then it'll come back and stop me out, right? But then there's times where I might also be in the trade where I get back into the trade and I force myself to get in the trade just because I don't like to be in the negative, right? So you'll probably raise your lot size. I haven't done it. I haven't moved my stop loss in a very long time. I don't move my stop loss. I necessarily just either take the hit or I cut my losses. But there's people who will move their stop loss because they think that the market will go right back in their direction. That is not the proper way of trading, okay? What you need to understand is when you get into the markets, once you press that button, you put your stop loss there, leave it there, because you see something that should be happening in the market or may happen in the market. And so you need to trust your own setup, okay? There's so many times where people get into the market and then they get out too early because they're afraid it might hit their stop loss. And then later on, they'll realize, oh, the market went 50, 60 pips in my direction, right? And it was nowhere near your stop loss. So yes, you have to really, really journal your trades, because journaling will help you to become disciplined. When you journal your trades, a lot of times when you journal your trades, a lot of people don't understand. A lot of people do not understand when they're journaling their trades that it's really keeping them disciplined. All right, it's really keeping them at a calm level to know, like, hey, this is a certain amount I'm going to win, or this is a certain amount I'm going to lose, and once I get hit, I'm done. Okay. I think a lot of traders struggle because they skip all these processes and they look at all these YouTube videos. Then they get the FOMO of believing that they have to have all these things right then and there. And what we call it is instant gratification. And we know that instant gratification is not going to get you anywhere but more in the hole. All right. So if you enjoyed this video, I hope you enjoyed this video. Like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And the next thing I'm going to be teaching you about next is my trading strategy. And I hope that this trading strategy that works for me will also work for you.